Good morning. All right, so it's good to see the sketch. I can't believe that we're still talking about this in the news. I like the layout. I like the shoe, especially. I like that it's white and you left it white because you've got all this dark color, but because of the space all around it, it's very prominent. So that was a good move. But otherwise, I think you need to work on the drawing a bit more. Um, it looks a little weird, like. Uh, if this is a knee, that it would be larger. I'm not sure where the gold is. Is it his butt? Perhaps not even do that. Or just if you're going to use gold, just make a stripe or whatever, right? Because the gold, since it's a lighter color, your eye is drawn to it, and then you realize, oh, the leg doesn't really have a knee. And then the fingers are really haphazardly drawn. Like, are they bent or are they just, broken, weird little fingers? So, work from reference. I can tell that you work from reference, but you really got to zoom in and go a little bit more carefully, especially with human anatomy. And finally, I think you, for the most part, got his face right, except you gave him kind of a double chin. And because he's an athlete, he probably doesn't have one. So again, zoom in a bit more. Every line that you draw when you're using ink, it counts the same as other lines because you can't really shade. So consider that as you delete what you need to delete. So I probably would delete the whole line for the chin here, and then maybe just sort of indicate it. You don't have to put that much detail in there. Just one like scoop of a line will indicate a chin, and you don't have to go into that much detail. Okay, does that make sense? As far as the cartoons, I like that you use the stencil, but even with the cartoons, I think you could draw them a little more carefully so that the type doesn't run into the line art. Just make it a little bit bigger and have the ends meet. And then finally, the horizon line here, that's also, since it's very thick, it's more prominent than the foot, which, is in the foreground. So select it and, go find a watercolor brush or something and just tap on that, and it'll add a little bit of style and it'll send it to the background. Does that make sense? Let me know if it doesn't. Okay, moving on to Hannah. Sorry, Hannah. I thought I had downloaded yours. Okay, I did. Okay, I think this is cute. I got the idea. Although it's so cartoony, the political aspect of it isn't clear. So, you're using black and white. You're allowed to use a little bit of color. So I would just add like some, icy sort of coloring to this ice block, and perhaps make a big giant sun in the background or something. Just sort of indicate he's not just a cute bear, because at this point he is a cute bear. What would make more of a polar bear? I mean, otherwise it's a nice drawing and I don't really have anything more to say. All right, let me know if you have any questions.